Light. Introduction. Light is a form of energy that enables us to see objects around us. We all know the importance of light in our lives. We cannot see anything without light. In previous class, we have already learnt that sources of light are classified as luminous and non-luminous bodies. Rectilinear propagation of light. Light always travels in a straight line. This property of light is known as rectilinear propagation of light. When a beam of sunlight enters a dark room through a narrow opening or a hole, we can see light traveling in a straight line. Beams of light from the headlights of cars and engines of trains also suggest that light travels in a straight line. A beam of light coming from the torch also suggests that light travels in a straight line. Reflection of light. The process in which light ray changes its direction when it falls on a mirror or any shiny object is termed as reflection of light. The light rays come back in same medium after undergoing reflection. Reflection is of two types. Regular reflection. When parallel rays of light fall on a smooth or polished surface, the reflected rays are also parallel to one another. This type of reflection of light is known as regular reflection. Light suffers regular reflection when it falls on a mirror. Irregular reflection. When parallel rays of light fall on a rough or uneven surface, the reflected rays are not parallel to one another. This type of reflection of light is known as irregular or diffused reflection. Light suffers irregular reflection when it falls on objects like wall, wooden gate, etc. Some important terms related to reflection. Ray. The path traced by light is called a ray. Incident ray. The ray of light moving towards a reflected surface, such as a mirror, is called an incident ray. Reflected ray. The ray of light moving away from the reflecting surface after reflection is called reflected ray. Point of incidence. The point where the incident ray strikes a reflecting surface is called the point of incidence. Normal. The imaginary line making an angle of 90 degrees with the reflecting surface at the point of incidence. Angle of incidence or angle I. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is called the angle of incidence. Angle of reflection or angle R. The angle between the reflected ray and the normal is called the angle of reflection. Laws of reflection of light. The reflection of light from a surface takes place in accordance with two laws. These laws are known as laws of reflection of light. They are stated as follows. The angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Mirror. Any smooth, polished surface which can turn the rays of light back into the same medium is called mirror. Reflection takes place from the surface of mirror. A looking glass is the best example of a mirror. Uses of plane mirror. Plane mirrors are used as looking glasses, in kaleidoscopes, in periscopes, in solar cookers for reflecting sunlight, in providing false dimensions in showcases displaying wristwatches, jewelry, etc. Spherical mirrors. There are two types of spherical mirrors. Concave mirror. The spherical mirror which reflects light from its curved-in surface is called concave mirror. Convex mirror. The spherical mirror which reflects light from its bulged-out surface is called convex mirror. Images in convex and concave mirrors. The convex mirror forms an upright image, that is, the image is erect. The image formed by concave mirror is upside down. Such types of images are called inverted images. Differences between virtual and real image. Virtual image. 1. Virtual image is formed when the light rays coming from the object do not actually meet after reflection. 2. It cannot be obtained on a screen. 3. It is always erect. Real image. 1. Real image is formed when the light rays coming from the object actually meet after reflection. 2. It can be obtained on a screen. 3. It is always inverted. Lenses. A lens is a piece of transparent material which has one or two spherical surfaces. Contrary to mirrors, the light rays pass through the spherical surface of the lens and change their path. This change of path of the light rays by surface of the lens in different conditions is called refraction of light. Types of lenses. Lenses are of two main types: convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens. A lens which is thicker at the middle and thinner at the edges is called convex lens. The magnifying glass used to observe small things is basically a convex lens. Concave lens. A lens which is thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges is called concave lens. A concave lens diverges a parallel beam of light falling on it, hence it is also known as diverging lens. Formation of image in convex lens. The nature, size and position of image formed by a convex lens also depends on the position of object in front of the lens. When a convex lens is placed close to an object, we see a magnified, virtual and erect image of the object. Uses of convex lens. Convex lens is used for obtaining magnified image of small objects. It is used by watch repairers for viewing small parts of watch. Convex lens is used in spectacles for treating eye defects. Formation of image in concave lens. A concave lens forms a virtual, erect and diminished image of a near object. Even if the object is moved away from the lens, the image formed is virtual, erect and diminished. Uses of concave lens. Concave lenses are used in spectacles for treating some eye defects. Concave lenses are also used in some telescopes. Dispersion of light. The splitting of white light into colors is called dispersion. Sunlight is white light, constituting lights of 7 main colors. The set of 7 colors is called the spectrum of light. These 7 colors in order are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, or Vibgyo. Hold a CD in the sun with it shining facing up. You will see many colors.